Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a student credit card with Discover easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Discover website to access their credit card options. Navigate to the section dedicated to student credit cards. Review the features and benefits of the Discover student credit card. Click on the Apply Now button to start your application. Fill out your personal information in the application form. Enter your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Provide your contact information, including your email address and phone number. Add your current residential address. Indicate your academic status by selecting your school and major. Input your annual income, including any part-time jobs or allowances. Complete any additional questions regarding your financial history. Review the terms and conditions presented during the application process. Make sure you understand the fees and interest rates associated with the card. Submit your application once you have filled out all necessary information. Wait for confirmation of your application status, which is typically done online. If approved, you will receive your student credit card in the mail within a few weeks. Activate your card using the instructions provided with it. Set up online account access to manage your credit card effectively. Consider setting up alerts for payment due dates and spending limits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.